Have you ever thought about what would happen if you couldn't go to work tomorrow? Not because you don't want to, but because your body simply couldn't. An accident, an illness, surgery. You didn't see that one coming. And then here's the real question: would your paycheck keep coming in? If you're a federal or postal employee, you might assume that you're fully covered. But the truth is, you're probably not. And that's why today is so important. Let's talk about short-term disability coverage and why it could be the safety net you didn't even realize you needed. Right now, most federal and postal employees don't have any short-term disability benefits built into their employment. Sure, there's sick leave, and if you've been saving it for years, you might think you're fine. But what happens if your sick days run out? Or if the recovery takes months, not just a few weeks? This is where the danger starts because, well, you're at home trying to heal, the bills don't stop, the mortgage is still due, the car payment, the groceries, childcare, life keeps moving, even if you can't. Without an income, the stress builds fast, and financial strain can make recoveries so much harder. The Benefit Coordinators really enjoys producing these videos for you. If you enjoy them also, please consider clicking the like and the subscribe buttons. Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturdays. At the Benefit Coordinators, we have a passion for short-term disability, and that's why it is so critical. It's not a luxury, it's a life raft. And here's how it works. If you get hurt or sick or can't work, short-term disability gives you a paycheck, usually about 60% of your salary until you get back on your feet. That dollar amount is user selectable, but not more than 60%. So instead of worrying about how you'll pay your light bill, you can focus on what really matters most, and that's your health and your family. And no, this isn't just for serious accidents either. Short-term disability can cover things like surgeries, major illnesses, pregnancy and maternity leave, injuries from accidents, complications from chronic illnesses, and it steps in when you need help the most. Now you might be thinking, I'll just use my annual leave. Well, let's be real for a second. Most people don't have months and months of paid leave saved up. And once it's gone, it's gone. There is no backup plan waiting for you. This is why it's so important to have a real plan in place before you need it. So, where do you start? Well, for both federal and postal service employees, they find that the benefit coordinators have plans that are actually very affordable, and they are not just random. They're designed for people who are just like you. At the Benefit Coordinators, we understand the unique challenges that you as a federal or a postal employee face. We're here to walk with you, answering questions, helping you find affordable coverage, and making sure that you're not left unprotected when life takes a radical turn. You deserve peace of mind. You deserve to focus on healing without worrying if your lights will stay on. And if you ever thought, I'm too busy to deal with it now, or it won't happen to me, you need to seriously, folks, reconsider that thought, because the truth is, bad things don't wait until it's convenient. And the time to prepare is now, while you're healthy and while you're able. Short-term disability insurance is about protecting your future, the future you've worked so hard to build. It's about making sure that one unexpected event doesn't tear your life apart, everything that you've spent years trying to create. And it's easier and more affordable than you think. Imagine the relief of knowing that if something happens, you still have an income, you still have stability, and you still have a way to take care of the people that you love the most. That's what short-term disability can do for you. Now, you are the backbone of this country's services, and you take care of others every single day. Now is the time to take care of yourself. And if you don't have short-term disability yet, or if you're not sure if your plan is enough, we're here to help you. At the Benefit Coordinators, it's what we do every day, guiding federal and postal service employees towards stronger, safer future. Because when life throws you a curveball, it is eventually going to hit you. And you should be able to focus on getting better. And isn't that what you deserve? You can reach out to us today. Even a quick conversation can give you the peace of mind that you've been missing. You'll never regret protecting yourself, but you might regret waiting too long. Take the first step because the future self will thank you.